In this episode, we'll be learning how to create navigation menu in WordPress. I believe we all know what a navigation menu is. Before we proceed, let's quickly view our website in the Menu tab. As you can see, this is our menu here, and we just have one item here. So in order to create a menu, we have to create our WordPress pages first. So let's quickly create some pages. So I'll come to pages, click on add new. Let me call this one the About Us page. Click on publish. In order to save our time, let's pause this video and create other pages. Okay, we've created some pages. Let's proceed with creating our menu. So come over here, come over appearance, click on menus. As you can see, we don't have any menu yet. So in order to create a menu, then you have to come to this field and give your menu a name. Let's call this one main menu. Then we click on create. As you can see, this panel is active now, and we can add these pages to our menu. Let me minimize this one. You can see that we can add pages to our menu, we can add posts to our menu, we can add custom links to our menu, and we can add categories to our menu. Okay, let's quickly start from pages. So I'll click on this drop down, click on view all to see all my pages. Now I would want to add this home, that's the home page. I would want to add the about us page, contact us page. I wouldn't want to add the sample page. I would also want to add the terms and conditions page. If I want to select all, I can quickly come here and check this box and click on add to menu. Okay, as you can see, these items have been added to our menu. Let's quickly refresh our website to see how it looks like. You can now see that we have this menu here, the about us, contact us, sample, and terms and conditions. If I come back here, you will see that this is not the menu that we created. As you can see from our list, we have the home, about us, contact us, and terms and conditions. But if you come to this place, we have the about us, contact us, sample page, and terms and conditions. Which means that WordPress do automatically generate some menus for you from your WordPress pages in case you've not created any menu. Now, in order to activate this menu that we've created, let's scroll down to this place. If you come down, you can see this menu settings here. If you want WordPress to automatically add new pages to your menu list, you check this one. If you want to use it as your primary menu, you check this one. If you want to use it as a secondary menu, you check this one. Off canvas menu, the same thing. Logged in account menu, the same thing, and footer menu. Now I'd want this one to be my primary menu, so I'll check this one and click on save menu. Now if we come back to our website and refresh it, as you can see from this place, the menu that we've just created has appeared here. Now let's go back to this place and see other options. Let's minimize these pages. Then if you want to add this post to our menu the same way, you check it like this and click on add to menu. I wouldn't want to do that, so I'll skip this one. If you want to add custom link to your menu, like an external link, for instance, if I want to add this website to my menu, let me quickly copy the link. Then I'll come back here, come to this URL, paste the URL that I just copied, then come to the link text and write weight loss, and click on add to menu. As you can see, it has been added to our menu list, so we click on save menu. Now, if I come back here and refresh our website, you can see that it has been added, and if I click on the weight loss, you will see that it will take me to another website, showing you that this is an external URL. Now let's go back. The same with categories. If I click on view all, if I've created some categories now and I want to add them to my menu list, for instance, if I want to add this uncategorized category to my menu, then I'll check this box and click on add to menu, then come here and click on save menu. If I come here and refresh our website, you can see that it has been added. Now we're done creating our menu. The next thing that we want to know is how to arrange our menu items. For instance, if I want this contact us to be above this about us, I can quickly come here, click and drag it above it. The same way, if I want these terms and conditions to be above the about us and contact us, I'll drag it all the way up to this place. Now, if I click on save changes and come back here and refresh our website, you can see that our menu has been rearranged automatically. So that's it with menu items arrangement. Okay, what if you want to delete an item from the list? Then you just have to come to the one that you want to delete. Let's take, for instance, we want to delete this weight loss. Then I have to click on this drop down here, scroll down a bit, and I can see remove. So I can quickly click on remove to remove it. The same with this uncategorized, you can click on this drop down, click on remove to remove it, and click on save menu. Now if we come back here and refresh our website, as you can see, those items are no longer available in our menu. Another thing that I would want you to know is this manage locations. So when I click on manage locations, as you can see, we have 5 menu locations here: the primary menu, the secondary menu, off canvas menu, logged in account menu, and footer menu. This is exclusive to this particular theme. Some teams might have 2 or 3 menu locations, so it totally depends on the theme that you're using. For this off canvas menu, this has to do with the mobile menu. Some teams will label it mobile menu, but this is useful if you want your mobile menu to be different from your desktop menu. So let's quickly come back to this edit menu. So what this means is that you can create as many menus as you want and assign them to all these menu locations if necessary. For instance, if I want to create a mobile menu that is different from the desktop menu, I can quickly come up to this place and create a new menu. Let me call this one mobile menu and click on create menu. Let me come to these pages and click on view all. I want to have the home, about us, and contact us only. So I'll select them and click on add to menu. I would want to use it as my mobile menu. Just like what I told you, some things might label it mobile menu here. So I'll click on save menu. So let's come back here and refresh our website. As you can see, it has not affected our desktop menu. Now, if we minimize our browser to get the mobile viewpoint, and come over here and click on this menu, as you can see, we have a menu different from the one that we have in our desktop. So if I zoom in again, you can see our desktop menu, the home, terms and conditions, contact us, and about us. If I minimize it, you can see that our menu is entirely different from the desktop version. We have the home, about, and contact us only here. Let's expand our browser once more. If you come here, you can see that any change that we're making will be affecting only the mobile menu. So what if you want to edit the desktop menu? Let's take, for instance, you've created 2 or more menus and you want to edit any one of them. Then you just have to come to this place, click on the drop down, select the menu that you want to edit. Let's go, for instance, with the main menu. So click on main menu here and click on select. Now, as you can see, we are now editing our main menu. So this is how to create navigation menu in WordPress.